Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monopoly Go limit warning error. The error reads, Limit warning. For security reasons, the amount of logins per 24 hours is limited. You're close to reaching that. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in to Monopoly Go, but the system detects that the login limit is about to be reached. According to our research, the error is triggered when the system restricts account access due to multiple logins. This can happen if you delete and reinstall the game, switch accounts, use multiple devices, or use APM or automation tools. The first thing we suggest is to simply wait. The error is system-triggered and shows a specific time on the screen until when the account will remain restricted. So wait for that time to pass and try again. If the error still comes, even after the wait time is over, then try restarting your device and relaunching the game. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try clearing the cache for the Monopoly Go app. Once cleared, open the app and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then we recommend you to contact the Monopoly Go support team. Simply contact the game support team and explain your issue. Once your account is accessible again, avoid any activity that may trigger system restrictions. This includes deleting and reinstalling the app repeatedly, using multiple devices, or logging in and out frequently. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.